وسارعوا إلى مغفرة من ربكم وجنة عرضها السماوات والأرض أعدت للمتقين.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome back to Race to Race. My brothers and sisters, I hope your fasting is having good effect on you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us ease. Amen. Beloved brothers and sisters, in this episode we need to remind ourselves about Muslim mind, our topic last year Ramadan, so that we can get well acquainted about what we are about to start discussing concerning this year's series, which is Race to Race. We would notice that we discussed in detail all that's related to a Muslim faith, including the 5 pillars and the 6 articles of faith. So, if we add both together, we have 5 pillars plus 6 articles of faith. It's going to give us 11 items to be won before we commence our race. Just like an athlete who has just trained for his first half marathon for month would ask, what do I need on a race day? You know, someone who is new to performing in a race, the person needs to know about what he is yet to dive into. So, answering the question of someone who is new to racing, so he will need running shoes, compression socks, sports bra, running shorts, sunglasses, energy gels, hat, headband, running watch, etc. So let's not forget, I'm not here teaching us what is needed, especially when it comes to a race, that is a marathon. But we are just here trying to explain in a way that we are going to get well acquainted about race to race. So you as a Muslim who is set to heed the instruction of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which is the commandment from Allah where it says wasari'u. You see, on your race days, you need to keep up on shahadatu alla ilaha illallah. So connect it back towards a person who wants to engage, to participate in a race needs. So now the race you and I want to participate in this world, what is going to be in our kit box? Firstly is shahadatu an la ilaha illallah, followed by shahadatu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah, iqamu salah, ita'u zakah, sawm Ramadan, and al-hajj. Not only the 5 pillars of Islam, we also need the 6 articles of faith to be able to fit on the lane when we are running. We also need al-iman billah, the faithfulness in Allah, believe in all prophets and messengers, believe in the angels of Allah, believe in all revealed books from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, as well as we also need al-qadar, that is predestination, and they believe in the day of resurrection. So all these items are needed to be on you in order not to get disqualified. If any of these 11 items are not found in your box, this simply means you are not qualified for the race. So the life you live, if any of the 11 items I listed, which include the 5 pillars of Islam and the 6 articles of faith, then you are not ready for a favorable race. So even after completing that race in life, there is no assurance that Allah Rabbul Izzah will grant you a worthy reward. So my brothers and sisters, my instruction here is that you should not live a zero life. So a life whereby at the end of your race you are going to score 0, because coming to this life, the goal is to race and win. So, and you need to follow the instructions so that you don't run towards the wrong direction. And I must add this: beautifying yourself with these kits would also energize you and make you fit while running on your track. So the 5 pillars of Islam, the 6 articles, add both together to your lifestyle before you start taking a step. If one of these 11 items is not in your heart and is not being practiced by you, I tell you, my brothers and sisters, it's likely you go in the wrong direction. So that is, when you are on your own lane, it's likely you divert your legs into your opponent's lane. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless our efforts, direct us, and guide us, so that we don't come to this life after making efforts. At the end of the day, we are not going to get nothing but 0. Ameen. أقول قولي هذا وأستغفر الله لي ولكم.
وسارعوا إلى مغفرة من ربكم وجنة عرضها السماوات والأرض أعدت للمتقين.